TIANKON is a renowned name in the realm of professional electric tools, with a rich legacy of over 10 years in the industry. As a leading supplier, we take pride in offering a comprehensive range of electric power tools, garden tools, and related accessories that cater to the diverse needs of both industrial and household applications. Our commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction has positioned us as a trusted partner for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. At TIANKON, we understand the significance of reliable and high-performance tools in various sectors, and thus we strive to provide products that meet the highest standards of functionality and durability. Our extensive product line encompasses an array of electric power tools, including drills, saws, sanders, and grinders, designed to deliver precision and efficiency in every task. Additionally, our range of garden tools is tailored to meet the demands of landscaping, horticulture, and outdoor maintenance, ensuring optimal results with every use. What sets TIANKON apart is our unwavering commitment to excellence and our global reach. Our tools are not only trusted by professionals and homeowners in our home market, but are also exported to more than 30 countries and regions worldwide. This international presence is a testament to the quality and reliability of our products, as well as our dedication to meeting the evolving needs of a diverse clientele. As a customer-centric company, we prioritize the satisfaction of our clients above all else. We continuously invest in research and development to introduce innovative solutions that enhance productivity and user experience. Moreover, our customer support team is readily available to provide assistance and guidance, ensuring that every customer receives the support they need to make the most of our products. In essence, TIANKON is more than just a supplier of electric tools. We are a partner in progress, equipping individuals and industries with the tools they need to achieve their goals. With a steadfast commitment to quality, a global presence, and a customer-focused approach, we are proud to be the go-to choice for all your electric tool needs.
Find Supply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform